Hey guys, what's up? How you all doing? So today I want to talk to you about something that is really, really super important. And I see where a lot of marketers, especially affiliate marketers, they're just getting started and they're heading down the wrong path based on information that was given to them and so forth, right? So today I want to talk about two things I should say, right? The practical versus the technical. Which one allows you to make your first $1,000 online? So if you're a bit like me, getting into affiliate marketing, new, don't know what the first step to take, and all that stuff, struggling with all the information and anything, watch this video to the end because I have something really cool that I want to share with you all. Okay. Now I understand, guys, that getting all this information and don't have the support, that's where we falter. That's where we fail. That's what happened because we don't know what to do with all this information. I understand. I was there. I know how you guys feel. But it's until I realize that having a support system and having someone that is an expert that can show us how to do the practical aspect of it, not just the technical, because the technical aspect is just pure busy work. So guys, let me share something with you right now, okay? That's what I found out along my journey, okay? And I really want to share this with you guys, and I hope you can just, not even hope, I'm just saying that just listen and hear what I'm saying. You don't need no get response. You don't need no Bluehost. You don't need no WordPress. You don't need all those technical things to make your first $1,000 online. Now they're going to tell you that you need to get this and you need to get that and you need to put all these things together. Guess what happened? They are affiliating for those softwares. Did I just say that? And they're telling you to get this click whatever, click whatever, and tell you to pay for ads and get leads and do blogs. And you don't think we do those things? Guys, we've been there. Been there. Not until when I have humbled myself and realized that having an expert that knows what he or she is doing, show you from the foundation where he or she started and start getting results. Now you can say, okay, you're in the right hands. And by the way, this is a community that I work with as well, online. It's not an MLM, it's not a pyramid scheme. You got to put in the work. We got to make that commitment and we got to be hungry. Sometimes we don't sleep, we don't eat because of the commitment. Two things that we commit ourselves to. Two things. And by doing affiliate marketing, that is possible to be ended. And we have seen it happening already. It started and it is creating havoc and a lot of impact positively. Two things. Number one, end poverty. Number two, end homelessness. So guys, doing all this busy work is not necessary. And guess what happened? Those are unnecessary payments that you have to be paying per month for those subscriptions. You only use ClickFunnels. That's what I was instructed to do, and that's what I'm using, and that's what I was able to get results with. The first 11 days after I got introduced here. Now, for me to come in out of the farming industry right here in Jamaica because of the pandemic, push me out of my comfort zone. Guys, let me tell you something. I want to be on the camera right now. You get what I'm saying? But it's just because of the support that I've get from these amazing people that you see in the background here. I had also just take a screenshot and make a background of it. I understand, yeah, you say, what this crazy guy doing this with so many people in the background? Yeah, I understand. But they are amazing souls and they're willing to go above and beyond to help anyone by paying it forward and learning the foundational skill. And that is what allows us to start making money online, not the technical stuff. So guys, it's like driving a car and you need someone beside you to show you how to drive the car. Point A, which is your pain, your situation that you don't like. And point B is your goals, your visions, and your dreams. So which one would you rather? Would you rather have someone sit beside you to show you how to drive the car? Or would you rather have someone to show you all the parts of the car, all the busy work? And then months you're still learning the parts. 2 months, you're still learning the parts. 3 months, and it goes on and go on. Today is the 21st of July. Next year, the 21st of July, 2023, you're still learning the parts. And that's where we got frustrated and give up and said affiliate marketing sucks and it don't work. I understand. I felt that way before as well. But not until you're willing to open and receive the right information and surround yourself with people that are already doing it, being very successful at it, then you definitely can be successful as well, just as they are. Why? Because the mindset has changed. The old bad limited beliefs has been eradicated out and put in something new so that you can evolve and grow and flourish and be a light in someone's life. That's what we're all about here. And that's what we do. And that's what we practice every day. That's what we are committed to. So if you're out there and you want to know how to do affiliate marketing and save yourself all the busy work, save yourself all those thousands of dollars spending online, doing all these monthly payments. And when you're stuck, you've been told that you need to pay another $15,000, another $30,000 for coaching for a year. And you're watching only videos. Got a surprise. Everything we do here is a live human connection. That's the reason why it's so tight-knit. And it's not for everyone. So don't think you can just get on up in here and just like that and be, no, it doesn't work that way. It's done by invite only. So if anyone that is serious and they say, okay, you know what, I think this guy can literally help me. I think this guy can point me to the right direction because he's getting results and he's working with people that is getting results. Hey, you know where to find me. You get what I'm saying? So I want to share something really cool with you guys to show you how much affiliate marketing works, and you don't need to learn all the busy work. All right? I'm talking the technical aspect. You learn the practical part by doing and becoming a different person in the process. I guarantee you guys, I guarantee you that you gotta get results. That I guarantee. Ask questions, take action, and do it without even second guess or ask what if. You know what I'm saying? So let me share something really quick with you guys. Okay, so this is, where is it? Hold on, let me pull it up real quick. Pull it up real quick here. Now I'm getting something to show something here. It's not allowing me to. All right, let me see if I can do it here. It's not giving me the chance to do that. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh, that's my beautiful daughter there. Yes, sir. Yeah. All right. Let me go here. Okay. All right. So this is one of my brother. His name is Trey. Okay, guys. And he started out after struggling, spent $2,500 watching videos, learning all the technical stuff, and still made $0. And he was in the construction doing technical work. No, not the technical, electrician work and so forth, right? I don't know where this technical come from, but I do, because I don't even like the word technical. That's the reason. Okay, so all his paycheck went back to chiropractor because of the busy work, the hard work that he has to be doing in the construction area. And he got introduced by one of the students that I work with as well. And within months, he was able to quit his job and do this full time. So that is how amazing this journey is, doing affiliate marketing. Okay, let me share another one with you real quick because I don't really want to get you guys bored. Okay, and yeah, so here we go. So this is Orit. Orit, I remember when she just started, she became homeless, right? And she even was struggling a lot. She invested over $30,000. And guess what happened? It yielded nothing for her. Hold on, I need to put my charger on. Hold on, right? She invested over $30,000, guys, and made $0 doing all the busy work, all the technical work. Ending up have to get 3 jobs just to make sure that she can pay for her monthly subscription. And you know what happened? Still $0 for 2 years and nothing worked for her. And she got introduced here within her first 3 weeks. She made over $700 the first time online with no ads, no email list, no blogs, nothing. Right here. And a few months ago, she was homeless. Now she's in her own apartment now, living and crushing it, and made over $15,000 the past 3 weeks, close to a month. Okay, yeah. So I don't want to be exaggerating and thinking that I'm making up numbers. Guys, it's right here. Okay, let me show you another one. All right, this is my sister Trang, right? She had a business that goes on she had it for a few years, generate millions per year. COVID came, shut it down. She has nothing to turn to. Okay, what? What's it saying? I don't have anything to show. Okay, so you hope you guys are hearing me. Yeah, so she started out with Grubhub and DoorDash and all those stuff. And in a matter of no time, she met a student that she posts online that she made over $5,000. And she reached out to her. She got introduced to the community, and she was able to make her first $500 online within 24 hours. Her first month, she made over $10,000. And thus far, she has made close to $150,000. So this is not her latest screenshot. So let me just clear that up, okay? So this is from the 23rd of June. So just let you guys know that as well. All right. So I don't know if you guys have seen it. Let me do it again. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it. So let me do it again. Right here. That's her right here. Chang. Okay. $150,000. Not exactly, but she's close to that milestone right now. And she was doing DoorDash and Grubhub and all that stuff, and lost her business in COVID. And because she was so humble and implement what she learned, not doing all those technical stuff like she did before, and tried several programs which did not work out in her favor, doing blogs and email marketing and doing all this bunch of busy work, which is the technical, which everybody is going to tell you that you need to get the technical first before you can start making money. But tell you what, practical makes you money, guys. That's what pays the bill. Okay, so all the love, I just want to share this with you because the thing is this, guys, it works. And once you get yourself in the right community, the right family, I should say, and the right person to show you hands-on, then you definitely can have success. All right. So I just want to let you guys know that I love you. And I just want to let you know that, anytime you want to, get some tips or some pointers or whatever, it doesn't matter. You feel free to reach out. You know where to find me. All right. I'm going to put this on YouTube and, I might put it on my Facebook page or somewhere around there and somewhere. But just click on the link below or something, or maybe send me a message or whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. All right. But I just want to share this with you that you don't need the technical stuff, guys. The practical is what can allow you to make your first $1,000 online. All right. Okay. Peace and blessings. Much love. All right. Take care.